In this video, I'm gonna share with you step by step on how to create a YouTube channel so as to become a monetized on YouTube. But before I continue, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips, tools, and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel. My name is Shaf and this is Shaf Tech. Here we go. In order to create a YouTube channel, first of all, you must be having an Gmail account because YouTube is a platform of Google. First of all, we are going to create a Gmail account so as to be used on create a YouTube channel. As you see, we are going to create a Gmail account by using a Google. We are waiting a little bit. We verify here. So we are going in to create a new Gmail account. Down here from the bottom, you see a create account. We click on it. For my personal use, we choose one category among of these for my personal use or for work or my business. Let us choose for my personal use. We click on it. You fill your full name. Let's use a Charles Tech. Last name is an optional. You can fill it or you can leave it. Let us leave it and we click on a next. Also, after fill the name here, you will fill a birth date and gender. As you see, we fill also a gender. After filling all those, we click next. You can choose the address below or you can create your own Gmail address. If you want to create your own Gmail address, you click create your own Gmail address. You put what kind of Gmail address you will use. So let us choose among of this we given here. We choose the second one, CharlesTech252@gmail.com. We click that one and we click next. After that, we are going to fill or to create a strong password so as to secure our Gmail account. You see, I create a strong password. After that, we click on next. We click also next. We agree with all terms and condition of Google. You see, read all of this and they agree. Now our Gmail account is creating. So after creating a Gmail account, we are going to open or to create a YouTube channel. We are going here step by step. We are going here. Let's switch on a Gmail account we created here. Charles Tech. We click on Charles Tech. As you see, we are going to create a new channel. You see here, Charles Tech create a channel. So we click on that. After clicking on that, there are some features to fill. You see a picture's name and a handle name. First of all, we choose a name or we create a name which we will be used on our channel. So let us use a Charles Tech. We save it, handle name. As you see, after that we are going to create we are going to add a picture on our YouTube channel. So we choose from Gala. In this video I'm gonna share with you for example which one we're gonna use. You see which one. Yes, let's take it as an example. We save it. So after that we are going to create our YouTube channel. You see down here, create channel. We click on create channel and our channel will be creating. You see a channel created down. You see this is our channel. You see Charles Tech, it created. So after creating a channel, there are some setup must be turned on and there are some setup must be turned off. Also there are some features must be fulfilling. In the next video I'm gonna show some setup to turn on and some setup to turn off, also some features